This is insanity. Is this like some... Oh my god. Is this some high quality stuff? Dude. Dude. I gotta chisel like an entire like turtle or something now for a vase. This is crazy. It's chrome vanadium. We have the 6mm, the 10mm, the 13mm, the 19, 25, 32, 38, and 50. Dude, this is insane. This goes so hard, I'm not even joking. I feel like at this point, my dad, when he's visiting with my mom, I kind of want to do something with my dad that's like memorable. I kind of need to like call him. The composite wood portions of this product is made in with no added formaldehyde NAF-based resins. Date of manufacturing August 2025. Ah, great year. You need a U-line wall mount in the garage. Dude, I need a mount in this room as well, but dude. Holy freaking shit. Excuse my profanities. Holy guacamole. Finch, thank you so much, seriously. Ah. No, this is wild. It's 4-3 already? Oh my god. Wait, is England choking? Platform was delivered 5 minutes ago? I should check in a second. But what am I looking at? Oh my god, you're joking. No, you did not. Okay, hold on, chat. Who sent this? Okay, Finch, you are insane. Chat. So these are for the Pelican case, but that's not the only thing that he got. What is this, by the way? It's an in-case lighting. It's a mod light. What? Oh my god. Wait, I got a mod light for the case. Are you joking? It's a 3-color output optional mod light pivot engineered in case lighting. What? Dude. And you know what's even crazier? No. No. Oh my god. Chat. It actually got delivered. Dude, I couldn't really put anything into it. Ah! 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 I realized we're only watching on the side. I realized we're only watching football on the side. Ah, okay, that actually hurt a little bit though. You're not a football player? Hey, I could have been. Somebody give the VAR. Dude, I actually hurt myself though. No, but I couldn't really use the smaller Pelican case. Because without foam, it's kind of like hard to have everything in there, right? But now, I can put it in. And it fits perfectly. But this is something I want to mess with off stream, because it will take a minute. Because it's like you plug it to exactly what you need it for. And then you can put in like batteries or lights and stuff. But this is the craziest thing. So chat, me as a tech enthusiast, I put this on my wish list just because I was curious how they sound. I was really curious how they sound because microphones is something that it's really hard to find the perfect mics for perfect setups. And these S70 mics, I have seen nobody review these things. Nobody has used them, so I'm really curious how good they are. No, this is not Holy Land. This is Small Rig. I had no idea that Small Rig is even producing those. So this is insane. And that's another thing, you can never have enough mics, because I don't know what it is about tech with mics. Every year, they're adding new stuff to it where I'm like, I don't even know what's happening. Mic review incoming. No, this is insane. I just want to like open it for a second. I want to look at them. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I had no idea, chat. Did you know that Small Rig is making microphones? No, not W Mic. W Finch. Oh my god. It actually looks hella high quality. There will be new mics coming tomorrow also, maybe. Dude. I don't know how to say this. I shouldn't make like an announcement just telling everybody how blessed I feel. Also, this case feels very high quality. Ooh, it's usable for the phone. Okay. And it's a clip-on like extra Emily's mics. Look. It's like a clip-on like extra Emily's mic. It's like very small. But the ones that Emily is using, they are like very like... They're like very cheap. They peak very easily and all kind of stuff. So I'm really curious how these will sound. Holy. Dude, this is amazing. You can plug them into the phone. You can plug them into the camera. No, this is really cool. It's a set of 2. But the thing is about most mics that are like 4 mics, you can always technically, if these mics are insanely good, I would still go with a splitter to have like this good system. If we used it for the FX3. By the way, the Sony FX5 is supposed to come out very soon. Monka. Holy shit! Dude. Mod lights, mics, t-shirts, chisel sets, foam. This is from Shiat. Low. Shiat literally just said low. Could you guys tell what it is?